Welcome to Sky Broking Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has economic and inflation related data and major events like US Fed Chairman Mr. Powell's speech on Wednesday and China GDP on Friday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like gold prices slid on Friday but still ended the week up 1% as the yellow metal emerged partially victorious from its fencing duels with US bond yields and the dollar, which was sluggish most of the week from mixed readings on inflation, and US bond market sell-off could accelerate, sending treasury yields and the dollar higher. Fundamentally, this is a negative news for precious metals. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned gold and silver may expect a positive bias. That had exactly happened, and in this week gold may expect a mild profit booking until close above 46900 levels, and silver may expect mild profit booking until close above 67735 ranges. These are the major precious metals outlook. Now let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has a news like oil prices fell on last week as concerns over summer fuel demand offset news that Europe appeared to be finally turning the corner on its COVID-19 vaccine crisis. Iran has said that it could return within months to its peak oil production of nearly 4 million barrels a day once the sanctions are lifted. Fundamentally, this is a negative news for crude oil. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned crude oil remains in a high volatility trade, and that had exactly happened. And in this week, crude oil may expect a profit rally up to 4185 levels until close above 4600 ranges. Next is natural gas. It has a news like above average injections into US gas storage fields during shoulder season suggest stocks might fill early this year, presenting a possibly bearish market landscape this summer. Fundamentally, this is a negative news for natural gas. And technically speaking, natural gas may close above 193, which means some more upswings ahead up to 204 ranges. These are the major energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like total stock levels are now at 163,100 tons, that the highest since early November 2020. This is fundamentally a negative news for copper. And technically speaking, copper may expect a mixed movement with support of 676.5 and resistance is 706.75. Next is aluminum. It has a news like global premiums continue to soar. This is fundamentally a positive news for aluminum. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned aluminum may expect a volatility positive movement. That had exactly happened, and in this week aluminum may expect a mixed rally. Next is lead. It has a news like base metal futures prices roundly dropped day on Friday, trading in London, but ended largely higher than the week while markets continue to digest a mixed news out of China and the United States. This is fundamentally a mixed news for lead. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned lead may expect a positive momentum trade. That had exactly happened, and in this week lead may expect a high volatility trade. Next is zinc. It has a news like US unexpectedly rose last week, highlighting the imbalance in the recovery of the labor market. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for zinc. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned zinc may expect a positive bias and gave a buy call above 220.5 with target of 223.25 levels. That has generated 2.75 points and a profit of 13,750 rupees, and in this week zinc may expect a mild profit booking. And the last is nickel. It has a news like inventories of redefined nickel in the Shanghai bonded areas decreased 300 MT from a week ago and stood at 10,000 MT. This is fundamentally a neutral news for nickel. And technically speaking, last week we mentioned once nickel if closes above 1219.4 means further rally up to 1264.5 levels. That also has exactly happened, and this week nickel may expect a range bound trade with support of 1219 and resistance of 1281.7 levels. Overall, our weekly market commentary has generated Rs 30,750 worth profit given. For more profits, visit our website www.skycommodities.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.